good evening. I have been given a very important task, and that is to give you a quick rundown of how Tatak V came into existence, and perhaps a little background of the humble beginnings of our celebrant and retiring Mrs. Valdez. However, before I proceed, I want you, wherever you hello. I have a tiny favor to ask from everyone. Please, may I request everyone to gaze at your right side. Okay, who's your right side? Gaze your right side. Then gaze to another left side. Then say hi. Okay, for the count of 3, let's start. 3, 2, 1. Hi! Okay na. Good job. Isn't it welcoming to see all those beautiful smiling faces? I purposely asked you to consciously smile because I want this room to be filled with the positive vibes. Smiling makes an instantly happy. It takes away the gloom and that sad mood. Let us proceed and tackle the humble beginnings of Mrs. Valdez. Okay, we will have the pictures. Mrs. Valdez started her journey in the noble profession of teaching long time ago. In 1997, she was assigned to Santa Lucia Annex. The school was then slowly building its foundation and named amidst the myriad of competition in Tagaytay City Division. Through the efforts of the pioneer teachers in Santa Lucia Annex, under the leadership of Dr. Valdez, who enormously supported and motivated teachers to achieve excellence whatever field they are into. Santa Lucia Annex started making a name, both in academic and non-academic fields. All the hard work paid off when the school became a name to reckon with in various competitions and may even considered a threat to other schools. Indeed, Mrs. Valdez groomed and honed the teachers well, and now they are not just her partners in the fields of academy, but are also her trusted allies and friends. All the years, beautiful friendships were forged, friendships that transcend time and distance, such that even if the teachers and Mrs. Valdez took different paths and various reasons, all geared towards a better life and a better service to the public. The bond that they share is permanent, an invisible tie of friendship that binds them family remains unbreakable. Distance and busy lives of everyone were constant adversaries, but friends and family will always find time together. So the teachers, friends under the leadership of Mrs. Valdez got together again in various instances to rekindle the fire of camaraderie. The smiles, laughters, seemingly endless unlimited stories were kept and unexpressed, have finally made its way to be felt and heard. It was not long enough that the group came up with the name Tatak V in honor and recognition of Mrs. Valdez, whose leadership is notable and whose goodness is worthy of emulation. For modesty aside, it was me who coined the name Tatak V. The V stands for Visminda Valdez, and in general describes the group of people she has helped, inspired, and groomed to be better individuals. May I request my Tatak V friends? Where are you? Alis sa magdamay. O, yan sa mga nasa sa mga balde. Asa si Ma'am V? O, si Mother V? Ma'am Visminda Valdez, your angels are here. Alis ang Ma'am. values, influenced greatly by teachings of a true leader who stood side by side with newcomers and ushered them to the path of greatness. Individuals who share an untold wonderful past of togetherness, of pains to joys, failures to successes, tears to laughter. Individuals who always got each other's back. Individuals who will not retreat no matter how tough the times are and believe that there is already victory in trying. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the Tatakgi. The Tatakgi is symbolic of people who are sharpened by the rough, strict, yet motherly approach, by the common culture and hard work and passion. It is representational of a breed of individuals whose habit of hard work, dedication, commitment, and goodness are imprinted in their DNAs. We are now assigned in different schools and in different divisions, but we come together for Ma'am V. Tatakgi is you and me, whose lives have been influenced in a way or another by the person we fondly call Ma'am Valde. To our mentor, to one of the most influential persons in our lives, Ma'am Bismenda Valde, happy birthday and we love you.